81 raised to power sine square x plus 81 raised to power cos square x is equal to 30. What is the value of s? We want to find the value of s from this given nice trigonometric equation. 81 sine square x plus 81 cos square x is equal to 30. 81 sine square x can be written as 3 raised to power 4 raised to power sine square x plus 81 cos square x can be written as 3 raised to power 4 raised to power cos square x is equal to 30. A raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power n m. Then this becomes 3 raised to power 4 times sine square x. That is 4 sine square x plus 3 raised to power 4 times cos square x. That is 3 raised to power 4 cos square x is equal to 30. Now, but remember this, that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. Now let's replace this. 3 raised to power 4 sine square x plus 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 1 minus sine square x is equal to 30. Then this is 3 raised to power 4 sine square x plus 3 raised to power 4 times 1, 4 minus 4 times sine square x, 4 sine square x is equal to 30. If you have a raised to power n minus m, this is equal to a raised to power n over a raised to power m. 3 raised to power 4 sine square x plus 3 over 4 divided by 3 raised to power 4 sine square x is equal to 30. Then let 3 raised to power 4 sine square x is equal to y. Then we have y plus 3 raised to power 4 divided by y is equal to 30. Now let's multiply all through by y. In order to eliminate this, we have y multiplied by y plus 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by y over y is equal to 30 multiplied by y. Then this one will cancel this. Y times y, this is y square plus 3 raised to power 4, 81 is equal to 30 times y, 30y. Then this is y square minus 30y plus 81 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Then from this, the product, which is 81, is equal to minus 27 multiplied by minus 3. This will give you 81. Then let's see the sum. This is minus 30. So we have minus 27 minus 3. This is equal to minus 30. Then let's substitute. We have y square minus 27y minus 3y plus 81 is equal to 0. Remember, we're using factorization method, and this is y bracket y minus 27 minus 3 bracket y minus 27 is equal to 0. Then y minus 27 is common. We have y minus 27 multiplied by y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then y minus 27 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 27. Or y minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 3. But 3 raised to power 4 sine square s is equal to y. Then 3 raised to power 4 sine square s is equal to 27, or 3 raised to power 4 sine square x is equal to 3. And from here, we have 3 raised to power 4 sine square x is equal to 27 is 3 raised to power 3. Then they have the same base 3. This is 4 sine square x is equal to 3. Let's divide both sides by 4. Divided by 4 divided by 4. This one will cancel this. Sine square x is equal to 3 over 4. Then let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of sine square x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 over 4. Then this one will cancel this. Sine x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 over 2. And from the second case, this one, three raised to power 4 sine square s is equal to 3. Then this is also 3 raised to power 1. We have 3 raised to power 4 sine square s is equal to 3 raised to power 1. They have the same base. 4 sine square x is equal to 1. Let's divide both sides by 4. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. This one will cancel this. Now, sine square s is equal to 1 over 4. Now, let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of sine square s is equal to square root of plus or minus here, 1 over 4. This one will cancel this. Then sine x is equal to plus or minus 1 over 2. Now we've gotten the value of sine s in the first case and second case. Now we want to solve for x. So let's draw our plane. For sine s is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 over 2. We have the x and y quadrant. This is x and y axis. Now let's draw our circle. So here is 1, 0, and here is minus 1, 0. Then here is 0 and 1, and here is what? Here is 0 minus 1. Then this is our y, and here is x axis. So, but the sine x is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 over 2. And sine is opposite over hypotenuse. This is also over 1. Then let's draw our angle here. Here is hypotenuse 1. Here is angle 60. Then this is root 3 over 2. Now, here will be what? Pi over 3. Then from here to this place, let's draw another angle here. Here is 180 minus 60. This is 120 degree. So remember degree. So 120 degree. And here is what? 2 pi over 3. Therefore, the radian above the plane is, for sine x, is equal to root 3 over 2. Then s is equal to what? Here is pi over 3 plus 2 pi constant. Then s is, for this place, we have s is equal to 2 pi over 3 plus 2 pi constant. The radian below the plane. Then from here, we have this. Here is 180 plus 60. So, and 180 plus 60 is 240. 240 degree. So, this is 4 pi over 3. And also, let's draw another one here. Then from here, this is 360 minus 60. And here is 300 degree. Then here is 5 pi over 3. So then the radian below the plane, sine s is equal to minus root 3 over 2. Then s is equal to 4 pi over 3. That's below the plane. 4 pi over 3 plus 2 pi constant. Then, and S is equal to, here is 5 pi over 3. 5 pi over 3 plus 2 pi constant. Then when sine s is equal to plus or minus 2, we want to find the value of x. So let's draw we have x and y plane. Let's draw our circle. Here is 1, 0. Here is minus 1, 0. Here is 0, 1. Here is 0 and minus 1. So let's draw our angle here. We know that sine x is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. This is also over 1. Then we have the angle here is angle 30. Opposite is what? 1 over 2 or 0.5, and hypotenuse is 1. Then here will be pi over 6 in radians. Then let's see here, let's draw another one here. The angle here will be what? 180 minus 30. Here will be what? 150 degree. Then in radians, here will be what? 5 pi over 6. This is above the plane, the S plane. For sine x is equal to 1 over 2, that is radian above the plane, will now be what? S will be equal to what? Here is pi over 6. Pi over 6 plus 2 pi constant. Then again, S is equal to, for this case, for angle 150, we have 5 pi over 6 plus 2 pi constant. Then for radian below the S plane, that is when sine x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Let's see, from here, let's draw another angle out here. Here will be 180 plus 30. This is 210. But in radiant, here will be 7 pi over 6. Then let's draw another angle out here. From here to this place will be 360 minus 30. Here will be 330 degree. And in radians, here will be 11 pi over 6. So our radian below the S plane are S is equal to 7 pi over 6 and S is equal to 11 pi over 6. 11 pi over 6.